Math Olympiad question. So A is equal to 1 over square root of 1 plus square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 1 over square root of 3 plus square root of 4 up to 1 over square root of 2024 plus square root of 2025. So choices 44, 45, 46, and 40. So pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's do this. To solve this, all we have to do is simplify each term. So we have how many terms? We have 1, 2, 3, up to 2024 terms. Okay? So let's simplify each term. So we will make use of the special product. We have A plus B times A minus B. This is equal to A squared minus B squared. So let's use the difference of two perfect squares. So let's rationalize the denominator of the first term. So we have 1 over square root of 1 plus square root of 2. Let's multiply by the conjugate A minus B. Okay, so multiply by the conjugate. We have square root of 1 minus square root of 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator. And then, so we can now use this A squared minus B squared since we have same first term and then same second term. So if we apply that, we will have square root of 1 squared minus square root of 2 squared. Okay? And then just copy the numerator, multiply this, multiply to 1. So we have same square root of 1 minus square root of 2. So the denominator will now become, cancel the square root and the square. Cancel the square root and the square. So we have 1 minus 2, which is equal to negative 1. So just copy the numerator, square root of 1 minus square root of 2. So square root of 1 minus square root of 2. So this is now the simplified form of this first term. So if we do that to the second term, we will have a pattern to this. So let's write the second term, 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 3. So again, multiply by the conjugate, we have square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Square root of 2 minus square root of 3. So we will get same denominator, square root of 2 squared minus square root of 3 squared, which is equal to, cancel the square and the square root. We get 2 minus 3. Again, that is equal to negative 1. And the numerator is square root of 2 minus square root of 3. And now, we can have a pattern for our expression. So as you can see, all the denominators are negative 1. And then the numerator is just the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so therefore, if we simplify all our expression, we will get the value of A is equal to 1, or this is now square root of 1 minus square root of 2 over negative 1. The second term will now become square root of 2 minus square root of 3 over negative 1 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 4 over negative 1 up to the last term, the conjugate, so square root of 2024 minus square root of 2025 all over negative 1. Since all our denominators are negative 1, so we have similar fractions, that means we can simplify or combine the numerators. So we have negative square root of 2 and then positive square root of 2. So this will cancel out. Also negative square root of 3 and positive square root of 3. So we can cancel all the terms up to the 2024. So we now have square root of 1 minus the last term is square root of 2025 all over the same denominator of negative 1. So simplify, we have this square root of 2024, 2025 and 1 are perfect square. So this now equal to 1 minus, this is equal to 45. 45 times 45 is 2025. So all over negative 1. So simplify, 1 minus 45 is negative 44 over negative 1, and that is equal to 44. The correct answer is letter A. So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and then we will discuss this on our next video. Find the value of A equals square root of 11 plus square root of 40. Bye-bye and God bless.